All right, so we have a new problem. The circle has a circumference of 9.42 units. What is the area of the square? Use 3.14 for n. Explain how you found the answer. So we have two formulas here, right, that we need to figure out because we have to find the area of a square, and we know the circumference of the circle. So if we remember our circumference of the circle, we can write that as pi d equals circumference, and length times width equals area of the square. To figure out this one, so we have the circle as a circumference of 9.42. So we know that pi times d, in this case I'll just use 3.14 times d gives me 9.42. Okay, so we know that, right? Because this is our representation of pi times the diameter gives us 9.42. So if I figure out that, what I do is I divide both sides. Let me change my color so we see what we're doing here. By 3.14, right? And we're going to divide this by 3.14 as well. So, and when I do so, I find that d is going to equal 3. Of course, d is from a line through the center all the way to the other side. But we don't need that much, right? How much do we need? We just need to know this, which is circumference. Radius. And then another formula we can write is 2r equals d. And so 2r equals 3, which makes r equal to 1.5. Okay? So we know that this length here, or this length right here, are both 1.5, right? This one is 1.5. So to find the area of a square, we multiply the length times the width, right? So that means I'll make that 1.5, the length. Sorry about that. And we'll multiply that times 1.5 equals our area, right? Because this is 1.5 and this is 1.5. So we multiply those out, we end up with 2.25 equals the area of a square. All right, so using two different shapes, two different formulas, we're able to figure out what the area of this square was.